It's Anthony Allen and my PayPal debit card has just arrived. I'm going to take you through the process of verifying and setting up your card so it's ready to use and you can withdraw your PayPal balance at an ATM, aka a cash point. My PayPal card has just arrived and you can see the PayPal logo there on this letter that I've just received with the PayPal card enclosed. So with the card, there's information in the letter that basically shows you what you can do with your card. For example, chip and pin, the tap, which is contactless payments, click, which is obviously purchase online wherever MasterCard is accepted, and of course withdraw cash worldwide from ATMs at a flat fee of £1. But I've also covered what you can do with your PayPal card in a previous PayPal video that you can find in my online money playlist, and that's worth checking out after you finish watching this video through until the end. And you see how shiny the card is. See the light bouncing off it a little bit? So with that now covered and I've opened the card, we're going to take you through the whole process of activating the card. And I'm going to be sharing my screen with you, and that's coming up now. So here we are on PayPal, and you can see that in the top left hand corner of the screen we have our PayPal balance. It's showing a 0, but below this is the card that we ordered, and clicking on this will open up a page where we can activate the card. Now with this page open, you can see more information about the card you have ordered. On the left hand side you will see the last 4 digits, so I've censored this, and right here at the top of the page you can see a activate card button. We want to click this to begin the activation process. Here is the next page where we're going to begin the activation of your PayPal card. Enter the expiry date for the card ending in, and it will actually confirm the last 4 digits of the card that you have ordered to make sure it's the right one. Then you want to enter the expiry date. You normally find this on the front of the card. It does say that the date is issued on the back of the card, but wherever your expiry date is displayed, you want to find that and then enter this into this section here. Your expiry date of your card usually displays the month and the year in which your card expires. An expiry date is basically when the card can no longer be used and when it expires. When you find these 4 digits, enter them exactly as they are displayed on your card. Making sure you have not made any mistakes, double check. Once you've done this, select the Activate Card button below, and you will find the next page where it says card ending in, and it will confirm the last 4 digits of the card has been activated. It then asks you link a bank account or debit card. If there isn't enough money in your PayPal balance to cover your purchase, money may be taken automatically from your linked bank account or debit card in increments of £5. Now if you don't want to add a bank account or debit card, there is another option. You can select manage card below, and that will take you back to the page of your now activated card and all of the details attached to it. If you scroll down on this page, you can find out more information about your new PayPal card. For example, you can see that if you add bank accounts or a linked debit card, you can avoid declined transactions if there isn't enough money. You can see the daily limits, so how much you can spend for purchases and withdraw from ATMs. And you can also see that you can select a show PIN option. You can cancel the card, report it lost or stolen, or report a damaged card. So if you've enjoyed this video, it's been helpful to you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Remember that I have built a playlist for you called Online Money, and if you've made it to the end of this video, you will most definitely, 100% actually, going to enjoy the content that I have in the Online Money playlist, where I talk about and show you and teach you about other financial and online institutions and online websites that you can use for your money, moving your money, and about your online money. So for all things online money, check out that playlist on my channel. And don't click away, don't go anywhere. I've got another video coming up for you right now.